Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and preserving data. First, make sure your carrier permits a 5G SIM to operate in a 4G device. Carriers often allow fallback. Next, power off the phone, eject the tray, and fit the 5G SIM using the correct nano or micro size or an adapter. Once done, reinsert the tray and power on. You do this to avoid SIM damage and to ensure the phone will register correctly on 4G networks. You now adjust software settings so the 5G SIM uses 4G services. Go to Settings, then Mobile Network, and choose preferred network type like LTE only or 4G/3G/2G auto. This forces registration on LTE. Make sure the APN parameters match the carrier's values. Enter them precisely if not autofilled. Once configured, toggle airplane mode on then off to prompt re-registration. Doing this prevents the phone from searching for unavailable 5G bands and ensures stable data and calling. Finish by verifying the service works as expected. You should see an LTE or 4G icon, place a call, send an SMS, and run a quick speed test to confirm data. If something fails, restart the phone, power cycle the SIM tray, and retry. If issues remain, contact carrier support to verify SIM provisioning or request a network profile push. As a fallback, ask for a carrier-provided 4G SIM swap. That often resolves provisioning mismatches without changing your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.